Welcome to Jason on English. Let's look at adverbs of degree. Add levels to your descriptions. If I said my apartment is big, what do you imagine? An elephant is big. Mount Fuji is big. The earth is big. What does big mean? If I said my apartment is big, it might be better to add another word to my description. What are adverbs of degree? Words that you can use to show levels. Words that show your personal judgment about high or low. Words that let you express yourself more precisely. Words that can make your English sound natural and complete. High adverbs of degree are words like extremely, very, really. If you use these words, you can show people that you feel the level is high. Looking at these pictures, if you feel the level is high, you might say, the coffee is extremely hot, or the coffee is very hot, or it is really hot today. It is extremely hot today. In this case, the word hot has a high level for you. This shows your personal feeling about that word. Medium adverbs of degree are words like quite, pretty, rather, somewhat. Your kids are quite big now. That's a pretty big dog. That's a rather big dog. Your kids are somewhat big now. In these cases, the word big has a medium feeling for you. Low adverbs of degree are words like a little, a bit, kind of, sort of. These are actually phrases, not single words. They are set phrases, and you can use them to show you have a low feeling about the adjective. The kitchen is a little small. The car you rented is a bit small. The kitchen is kind of small. The car you rented is sort of small. In this case, for you, small has a low feeling. Here are all levels of adverbs of degree. High, extremely, very, really. Medium, quite, pretty, rather, somewhat. Low, a little, a bit, kind of, sort of. It was extremely hot. It was pretty hot. It was a little hot. My room is very messy. My room is rather messy. My room is kind of messy. The movie was really boring. The movie was somewhat boring. The movie was a bit boring. If I said it was hot, my room is messy, the movie was boring, my sentences are missing my personal feeling about those words. Using adverbs of degree allows you to make your sentences more personal. 2. Is this a level? 2 does not mean something is at a high level. 2 is used when the speaker is angry or unsatisfied. This shows a negative feeling about something. This hotel is too expensive for me. Unsatisfied, angry. It is too cold to take a walk today. Unsatisfied, angry. The view was too beautiful. Well, beautiful is usually a positive word. Why would you be angry? Very is better. The view was very beautiful. Everyone was too friendly. Very is usually a positive thing. Why would you be angry about friendly? Very is better. Everyone was very friendly. When you're speaking and when you're using adjectives, try to add adverbs of degree to make your sentences more personal and to express your feelings more clearly. And be careful about using the word to. To does not mean high level. To means you are angry or unsatisfied. If you like, you can watch this video again and practice adding adverbs of degree to your sentences. Thank you for watching.